Welcome back to Vlogmas on my channel, in case you didn't know where you were. Today we're going to be looking at a holiday set. So today we're looking at Elf. Elf had a ridiculous amount of holiday sets on their website and in store. In my store, there's some products at Walmart. They had no gift sets at Walmart, and I, oddly enough, found this little guy at my Shoppers Drug Mart. When I went, they had listed a couple others. I meant to get more than one, but by the time I got there, they only had the one. So I picked up the rose gold look set. This was $16 Canadian. I think it was way cheaper if you bought it online, but I didn't feel like risking Canada Post with my Vlogmas orders. So this comes with a rose gold eyeshadow palette, a baked highlighter and blush, a beautifully bare and smooth matte eyeshadow, and a matte lip color. Really cute boxes, by the way, I gotta say. Their holiday packaging this year, spot on. So this is how it comes out of the packaging. We've got the palette, the lip color, the liquid matte eyeshadow, and the baked highlighter and blush set. I am not a fan of liquid eyeshadows. I think I am a fan of this palette. It is super cute, and wow, has their packaging ever improved. I've already got some bronzer on my face, so I think I'm going to do a little delve into this highlighter blush duo. So these are the shades. This is the blush, this is the highlight, and those are them swatched. I will do swatches of the eyeshadow palette at the end. The lip color is also a pencil, which I am, again, not a fan of. Oh, so this is the eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow. And that is the matte lip color, which actually kind of looks a lot like the Chai lip pencil from Bite Beauty that came in the Sephora birthday packs this year. So let's get some stuff on my face here. So I'm gonna go into the blush. I'm gonna just tap that on. And this is kind of just more of a highlighter and not really a blush, but it is kind of rosying things up, I think. Okay, that's not bad. And then if we go into the highlighting side. Oh, actually, that is not bad, my friends. I remember the last time I tried a e.l.f. highlighter, that was like one of the baked highlighters. I didn't really like it. I'm kind of happy about this. I feel like the blush, though, I'll probably ultimately end up using it as more of like a topper. Okay, let's do some eyes. So I'm gonna start by setting the lid with this bone color here. And then I'm gonna go into the next darkest matte and put that in and above my crease as a transition color. Okay, and now I'm going to go into this dark mauvey burgundy purple-y color, and we're going to put that, oh, it's real dusty. We're going to put that in the outer corner and darken up the crease here. Not the most pigmented in the world, but it can clearly be built up. So now I'm going to take the, hello, I don't have food. Do I smell good? Thank you. So now I'm going to try out this liquid shadow here. I'm going to place it on my lid here. And then use this flat packing brush to kind of try and manipulate it a little bit. Blending is making it worse. I don't like this. Okay, so that's the best that I can do with that. I'm just gonna take this shimmery purple here, and I'm just gonna place this on my lid with my finger. And then I'm also gonna go into this like baby shimmery pink here with my finger and put that on the inner portion of my eye just to lighten that up a little bit. It's not the best, but it is not the worst. But that liquid eyeshadow, fucking worst. Alright, so those are my feelings on that. So let's try out this weird ass lip pencil. It's tugging. This looks nothing like the bite stick. That's awful. Beautiful. So that's trash. Honestly, for the amount that I paid for it, the highlighter and the eyeshadow palette are a-okay. The liquid shadow and the lipstick will both be going in my trash bin. And I don't mean trash, like I'm not throwing them in the garbage. I mean in my bin of makeup I hate for a future one of those videos. Because I have enough to do 2 of them. I need some gloss to fix this. So that is it. That's all for the e.l.f. collection. I hope this was informative. Not the worst purchase ever. And now I've got some new additions to my Makeup I Hate series. I'm gonna throw in some arm swatches of the palette for you guys. And we'll see you in the next one.